Hello guys, we are back in our Opel Corsa D from building year 2012. We have a little problem. When you put the key in the ignition, you turn it on, it gives inspection 2. If you see inspection 2, one of the bulbs around the car is broken. So we will check the bulbs now. I will start the car and put all the lights on. So let us turn on the lights. We can also turn the pinking lights, I don't know the word in English, on, so we can see around the car which bulb is not lighted up. And we can see here this bulb isn't shining. See here it's working, and on this side it's not working. So we will replace it. It's a quite easy job to do, so you can do it yourself. You only have to do pull on this, and you can take it away. Just pull, and then if you see there are two white moors, you can turn loose. This one and below. So we have the two things, and now we can take out the entire block. Just here you have to pull also. That's this one. And now you can disconnect this. You can just pull this up and you can take it away. Now we have to see which one was not working. It was this one. So we have to take out this lamp. If you see, you have 3 connections that you have to make loose. This one, just pull it. This one and this one. This one also. And then you can take the part away, and you have all the bulbs here. You can see it's a bit black, and the Osram thread is worn, it's broke. All the other lamps are in good condition. So we will see. Just push and then turn. It's 12 volt, that's of course, because the entire voltage of the car is 12 volt. It's 21 watt. I will take a new one and replace it. Because in some countries you have to have this all the time in the car, because if a bulb is broke you can replace it yourself. We have a brake light that's above, that's this one, but we need this one. It's the same like that. This is from Osram, that's a good brand, so we will replace it. Just see to the 2 balls on it, and you can then you push and turn, and that's all you have to do. And now we can put it back in, because all the other lights are in good shape. You don't have to replace them. Just push it back in. Yes, it's okay. So the three things here, here and here are back in the right position. We can pull the light back in, but first make this connection. That's the right position. That will be working better. Put it back in. And then you have to see that these three parts, this one, this and this, here, here and here. First we have to push it in, and also this part has to come here. So just push it back in and then turn these two bolts back on. If you want to be sure, you can also make connection in the car. Let's see if the inspection 2 is away. Now it's okay. The inspection 2 is away. So the problem is solved. So we turn the two bolts back on and the works are done. So the two bolts are back in. This connection is back okay. And we just have to buy a new bulb. So we have a spare one and the works are done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.